Hello everyone. So today we're looking at my ThinkPad docking station. As you can see, it comes with USB Thunderbolt, USB-C Thunderbolt, a headphone jack, power button right here, and numerous ports at the back here. I don't necessarily want to pull apart my system, but you can see network cable, USB, GE, HDMI, a lot more ports at the back there. So for those of you who want to have a setup like this, this is a highly recommended product to get, so you can connect all your devices into one platform and then connect it to your laptop or desktop machine and have full functionality, full dynamism of your system. Highly recommended products. See it there, IBM ThinkPad docking station, hard metal, fits perfectly, very sleek, not too big, small enough to fit on your countertop or your tabletop. Highly recommended.